Hey, what's up guys? It's Lukas, Kasper here again, back in my studio, and I'm going to do a fun project out the back on my street art wall. The challenge for this one is going to be painting the whole thing with these right here. They're called New York Fats, so technically they're a fat cap. These things can do just about anything, from thick lines to thin lines. You can really get close and move fast, as well as sort of pulling away and getting flares. Basically just use a really limited color palette, dark brown, orange, yellow, white, that's it. So I'm just gonna pack my paint up here and I'm gonna head down to the wall and yeah, make it up as I go.